Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Finance by Mami Jean. Today we are diving into one of the common tricks used by the companies in which they are excessively capitalizing the normal operating expenses. So what does this mean? Instead of recording certain immediate expenses such as electricity expenses, salaries and etc., which should immediately recorded in P&L, but instead of that, some companies put these expenses in the balance sheet in the form of assets. They treat these expenses as if they will create a benefit in the future. It sounds a bit awkward, but let's see what happens. Let's take a look at the WorldCom, a giant telecom company that became infamous for this very thing. Back in early 2000s, when their revenue was slowed down, WorldCom faced pressure by the investors. They needed to make their financials look good. So instead of showing the huge operating expenses, they decided to capitalize that expenses. By doing this, they pushed the million of cost into the balance sheet, makes their profit look way better than they were before. And the sneaky part is they did for the years, which led to the accounting scandal. So how can investors spot this? So here are some red flags. First, unwarranted increase in profit margin. Second, decline in cash flow. And third, increased capital spending. As an investor, always keeps eyes on the cash flow, balance sheet, and the accounting changes which are happening in the company, and also the sudden changes in the profit margins. Stay smart with your investment, and thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.